Turn on the machine and open the water injection port of the water chiller. Fill the water cooler with pure water. Water injection can be stopped after the water level reaches the green zone. Corresponding connection LMP line. Connect the signal cable between the wire feeder and the host computer. Connect the trachea. Tighten the signal cable connector. Adjust the air pressure value to about 0.8 megapascal. Turn on the main power of the welding machine. Turn on the laser power. Turn on the power and laser buttons on the front of the machine. Test the cutting function 1.5 mm stainless steel. We have pre-stored some parameters in technology. By choosing different numbers, different parameters can be used. We choose number 9 preparing to save the parameters for cutting. Adjust scan width to 0 mm and power to 2000 watts. Save via import, save return. Open the supplied nozzle seat. Select a special nozzle for cutting. Turn on the laser enable button before use. Please make sure that the grounding clamp has a metal reaction, which can be judged by the secure log indicator light. Connect the wire feed tube of the wire feeder. Tighten the screws. Open the fixed cover. Install welding wire. Pay attention to the red lock, which is now open. Place the welding wire on the track and lock the lock. Use manual wire feed on the machine and lock the second lock. Keep pressing the manual wire feed until the welding wire appears at the other end. Open the toolkit and find the wire feed head assembly. Install according to the video sequence. Note that the nozzle has become a special nozzle for wire feeding. Please select it in the nozzle box. Start testing welding 3mm carbon steel. Select the pre-stored number 1 welding parameter in technology. The weld cleaning function directly selects the parameter number 8. Scan width can be selected. Please note that there are corresponding nozzles for weld cleaning. Start the cleaning function. First, we need to shut down the machine to enter the cleaning mode. Enter cleaning mode after powering on again. Turn on laser enable. Remove the head assembly. Wear goggles. Return to welding mode and follow the same restart steps.